Welcome back to the Fix Your Apps channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to delete Google messages on Android, and I'll show you how to remove single messages or clear all conversations easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. First take your Android device in your hand and open the Google Messages app. This app is usually found on your home screen or inside the app drawer, and it is used for sending and receiving SMS and chat messages. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so all options work properly and smoothly. Step 2. Once the app is open, you will see a full list of all your message conversations on the main screen. These conversations include messages from contacts, businesses, and verification codes. If you decide to delete any single message or conversation, simply long press on that specific chat to select it. Step 3. After selecting the message, look at the top menu bar of the screen where several icons appear. Here you will see the trash or delete icon, which is used to remove messages. Tap on the trash icon, confirm the action, and it will automatically delete Google Messages on Android. Step 4. However, if you want to save time and delete all messages at once, long press on any one conversation to activate selection mode. This mode allows you to manually select multiple conversations one by one, making it easier to manage large numbers of messages. Step 5. After selecting all the conversations you want to remove, tap on the trash icon again at the top. Confirm the deletion and you have successfully deleted all Google Messages on Android from your device. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials like this.